So let's start looking at some of these capabilities some of these are, we're still in the present. I haven't gone to the future yet. So present, so as of 2026 Service Pack 1, we brought Leo in, and he's been integrated into the What's Wrong dialog box. I'm sure everybody has seen the Festival of Lights on the left-hand panel on your feature tree, right? Not a good thing for productivity gains when you have a bunch of errors in your part. So by default, the wrong dialog box to pop up. You're going to see a new button, Ask the Companion. And so now you can have a more conversational approach to this and say, what's wrong? And Leo comes back and says, the root cause is located in the cut extrude 1 due to geometric conditions. Start here. So it's just a little more, again, conversation. Like what's wrong dialog box is good especially if you're a veteran, you've been in it, you know how to use it effectively. But for a new user, having somebody guide you a little bit more could be really beneficial. Now I showed generate drawings earlier. So now we can have a slightly different approach. This button is actually in the generate drawings dialog box, so the command panel on the left as an option. So you could say generate drawings where you pick a bunch of parts and assemblies, or you have a more conversational approach. You can start and just say, hey, Leo, I need a drawing of this assembly. Leo comes back, sure, I'll do that for you. And these are the default settings as far as sheet size. And then you can go in and say, no, this time I need an A3. I want you to follow ANSI standards. And I want the front view to be my main view that you project from. So you have a little more control. Then you preview, say preview. And then if you don't like what you see, go and tweak it some more. Say, you know what, in this case, I only want overall assembly dimensions. And then preview again. If that's what you like, say move forward. And then Leo will confirm and say, okay, I'm going to make the drawing. By the way, I'm saving it in this file location locally on your hard drive. Yep. Not yet, right? That's that next phase where we can have that agreement to learn from your drawings. And yes, that's what's coming. Today, it's working from our model that we've trained on whatever drawings we have.
Can you tell it to use specific drawing templates so we have for that assembly kit, so on and so forth?
Great question. So generate drawings, it will only use your default drawing template, right? So you don't have a choice. And here in Leo, I think we can. If we can't, it's got to be coming because it's too limiting for me right now if it's following the same generate drawing flow.
Like that. That's the first time I've seen behavior train something on your specific that same thing, skill mod for the that say that because what he's asking for in the templates that is people training a repetitive task. Taking, hey, this is our normal. That's the way I would approach it. The way he asked the question is the way I would approach it. I would give it a block of drawing that had my standards in it, and I would tell it to learn that block of standards.
Yep. So I'm not the developer, but that's
probably what most of us are seeing is day to day trying to build that thing out.
Yep.
And the difference in that is training part of the model. That was a leap for me. We can go later.
No, so that's exactly right. So you're going to have this data would have to reside in the platform for it to learn. So this is where you have to start making that decision. Am I going to depart from my PDM or local data management to this way, right? I mean, nothing stopping you, I suppose, from making a copy. These are my clean looking drawings. Put them up to the platform. You really want to stay in your PDM for as long as you possibly can, right?
Suggest that you're expecting customers to have all of that organized.
Right. Well, again, it's clean. Well, you're saying you want it to learn, and obviously you want some controls over that too, right? You don't want it to go into a field of legacy data that's probably not, right?
100%. Here, sorry, I didn't want to derail it.
No, these are good questions. Great conversation.